Hi guys, Kelsey DeWeese here, your harm reduction case manager here at the Whitley County Health Department. This week I'm going to talk to you all about how to find treatment center availability. So, there's a really easy way to find a treatment center near you without having to call and stress about finding options. You can go to an easy website called findhelpnowky.org. So, this website has a ton of options. So when you go onto the website, you're able to enter in your zip code, your gender, to see if they're able to find options within the area that you're looking for. So not only can you look for treatment center options, you're able to go to find mental health centers, faith-based treatment centers, and medically assisted treatment therapy centers. So I'm going to take you to the website and I'm going to show you how it's easy to use. So you can go to the website and say I'm looking for a female facility and say Corbin. And it's not fine. Let's see. That's Corbin. Let's try and type it in like Corbin. There we go. Sorry about that. So say female closer to Corbin as you can find. And start search. So now you can find places that are the closest to you for treatment. And it's pretty cool. You're able to go, let's see, we can go back home. And let's see, maybe we'll try to find Williamsburg. Pretty much most of the same places because they're pretty close together. But you can go down and scroll and find different areas, and you can click on, say we choose Hope City. It says they're accepting patients, their number, information. It gives their hours, accreditations, and things like that. So, not only if you need to help yourself find a treatment center, this is really easy if you're trying to find someone in your family a treatment center for substance abuse. You can get substance abuse information, treatment information, and just general addiction information and syringe exchange program information on this website if you explore with it. So also, there's a talk line that you can talk to a specialist, 1-833-859-4357. They're open Monday to Friday, 8 to 5:30. So, and there's also an after hours number, the Kentucky Opioid and Assistance Resource Hotline, 1-800-854-6813. So guys, there's lots of options out there to find treatment center availability and to get help for someone, even if it's for you or if it's for someone in your family or a friend, to find a bed. So that is findhelpnowky.gov. It's very easy. So hope you guys learned something today. Thank you. Have a good day.